Sir, one of the participant is asking that what is the difference between splinting and welding?
There is no difference. Basically, the splinting, what we do is we fabricate the prosthesis or a rigid bar, okay, for the implants in the lab, right? So there is a delayed procedure. We have to wait for some time for the bar or the prosthesis to come. Meanwhile, we can do is we can synchrystallize the implants with intraoral welding. Both do the same thing. Both do the splinting. Both distribute the load of the implant all the implants. So because of that, the load on single implant is reduced and it increases the prognosis of the case. Like in my practice, I have a laboratory in house, so I get my bar casted on the same day. On the next day I am able to place the splint. But in certain cases, if you are outsourcing the fabrication of the bar or the prosthesis, in that case we can go for splinting also through intraoral welding.